Hello there and welcome everyone to my channel Diamond vs Protein. So today there is a new solution of how to delete your applications from your Mac. Now you'll think that it is very simple to just delete your application from your Mac, but there are many problems arising whenever you have downloaded any of the applications from web. Yes, you are hearing it right. Not from the App Store, but from the web. For example, if you want to delete any application in the Mac, you have to just click it and press it until it starts to dance. But you will see all other applications also start to dance with it. Now, while they're dancing, not everyone has a cap on their head saying that you cannot install me. Okay, as you can see, only ShareIt is having, this Omni Player is having, Microsoft Word is having, but TeamViewer, Google Chrome, and Zoom or Discord, any other applications don't have that option to be uninstalled. Now, how to uninstall those applications? Pretty simple. You just have to go and find the Finder app. You have to just click on it, and you will see the applications from your favorites. Now, as you can see the varieties of applications over here, you can just select them and drag it to the bin. For example, if I want to transfer Android file transfer to the bin, I will just drag it and push it to the bin. Or another option, you can just double click any of the applications. Oh no, you are not supposed to be opened, you are supposed to be deleted. Okay, so you have to just double click or and you can just see the option move to bin. So guys, this is a basic and pretty simple solution of how you can uninstall any of the applications. Comment down below to tell me how this video was helpful to you, and also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also let me know what other types of videos do you want, or what other solutions for MacBook do you want in my future videos. Thank you everyone.